Okay, I'm going to show you how to fold a 24-inch by 36-inch plan or plat into a letter size 8.5 by 11. So this is a plat, and the city that I'm at requires for us to submit the copies of the plat, 10 copies of them in a letter size format. So the first thing that you do is you want to protect the ink, so you fold it onto itself where the non-printed side is on both sides of it. So you just fold it together like that, and then once you get it folded, then you turn it around this way, and then you would want to get a sheet of paper that is 8.5 by 11, and just kind of put it, it doesn't have to be perfectly in the middle, and you just hold and press your thumb right here, and you fold this to the sheet of paper, and then now you can remove it once you have that crease. Line up the edge and just fold downward, make sure it's straight, fold down, and then you do the same again on the other side. Get the edge, crease it. You can remove the paper once you get that crease, and just fold it downward. All right, now you have the length of a perfect letter size, and then you just flip it around, and then now you do this side, the left and right. Again, repeating same process. You just put the paper in the middle, and you take the crease. This one is a little bit harder because you have a lot more fold in there, but you can help it like that. And again, you're just trying to get the crease. Once you get the crease, you can go ahead and remove the paper and line up the edge and just fold it down. This is a little bit harder because you have a lot of paper in there. All right, you get that folded perfectly down, and then you just take the paper again so that you can measure for the other side. Put your finger there, and then you would want to make that crease also here. Remove the paper, try to get the paper to fold at that crease, line up the edge, and try to press it down at that crease best that you can, and you got 8.5 by 11 fold perfectly without a lot of trouble. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of useful content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.